How to download TikTok on laptop. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the App Store on your MacBook. Now here, if you search for TikTok app, you will not see the official TikTok app anywhere. So go ahead and open your preferred browser, preferably Chrome, and in the search bar search for www.tiktok.com. You will be led to the official webpage of TikTok, so go ahead and tap on the three dots on the top right of your screen and further tap on the cast, save and share option. A menu will open up. Here, tap on the create shortcut option. In the pop-up that appears, tap on the create button again, and with this, your shortcut will be created. Now, if you go ahead and tap on the TikTok option on your desktop, then you will automatically be redirected to your TikTok page. So, this is how you can download TikTok on laptop. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.